Hola, ¿cómo están todos? Bendiciones enormes. Estamos aquí en Detailing Company, súper contentos porque hemos iniciado nuestro proyecto de Detallame La Maquina. Hoy iniciamos una parte supremamente fundamental y es la desinstalación de los bumpers, los retrovisores, muchas piezas internas. Hemos encontrado una serie de desafíos increíbles. La verdad, he pensado en tirarme para atrás, pero nada, hemos estado a juego con este proyecto. Sí, realmente un vehículo con esta edad tiene sin fin de, digámoslo, marañas, cosas puestas de diferentes formas, tornillería de todas las formas que ustedes imaginen. En fin, eso ha sido una locura, pero ya vamos en esta parte. ¿Qué vamos a hacer? Vamos a hacer una invitación cordial a Autosabas para que nos reciba las piezas que necesitamos pintar, y allá vamos a tener otro periodo de grabación en la cual vamos a mostrar qué se usa, cómo se usa, cuál es la forma de instalación de la pintura y demás temas y determinación para que continuemos con este proyecto. Estén muy pendientes porque tienen muchos capítulos contándoles la temática de este Detallame La Máquina. Vamos a fuego, somos Detailing Company. Muchas gracias a todos los patrocinadores. Chao, chao.
Why do they doubt the kid? I'm about to prove them all wrong again. I got a low tolerance, cause they don't even know what the problem is. It's me. You waiting on the boy to fail, then hold your breath and face your death. Cause you play a roulette with each step I progress, no less. Go ahead and place your bets, cause we know where we at, we know we top tier. Cause all the hate that you bring, we know it stops here. I'm taking off like a rocketeer and stopping here.
Music licensing reimagined.
We gon' always win. Promise that that's not a promise, yeah, that is a threat. You know that I promise to bring the team commas. When the whole team win, that's when you flex. Win, and I'ma do it again. Watch me win, then watch me do it again. Tell 'em I can't take no loss. My team hold no L's, no. Aiming for the top, can't make it by myself. I ain't taking no loss. I ain't taking no loss. Look, come on, always win. I ain't taking no loss. Look, come on, always win. We already know that we the coldest. Watch me heat it up, let me focus. I'm going toe to toe with foes. I know they notice. I kick in doors, they only hope for closing. Why? Cause they know I go again. And when they get it right, I'm the one that can make it flow again. Talk to me nice, my team they ready to go again.
Music licensing reimagined.
We don't talk, better know the grind gon' match my walk. I'm a cheat code, I don't take no loss. Making no sense, run up the scope. Cause all I do is win, and I'ma do it again. Watch me win, then watch me do it again. Tell 'em I can't take no loss. My team hold no L's, no. Aiming for the top, can't make it by myself. I ain't taking no loss. I ain't taking no loss. Look, come on, always win. I ain't taking no loss. Look, come on, always win. I'm winning again and again and again, and it's all on repeat. I'ma just sit at the top cause I'm running it, dog. On me, I don't know defeat. Had to get back on the phone. I told them don't play with my name cause I know that it rings. They want my spot at the top with the crown and
Music licensing reimagined.
Always win. Racing to the finish line. Seatbelt, fast whips, got a win in mind.
Artlist.io.
Skirt off, ain't no 10 in mine. Friends keep saying slow down, should've seen the signs. Riding down the street road, where we going, I don't know. God, please protect me, I'm halfway home. Take the wheel right now, I let go. Thinking about the ones that let go.
Music licensing reimagined.
No, it's not easy forgiving. Found a new reason for living. They say it's making noise, all I hear them say. La, 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 la,
Artlist.io.
Bad cards all the time. Took the hand I was dealt, gotta let it shine. What? Yeah. Tell me where to sign. I'll give it all away for some peace of mind. Cause life fading slowly. They got a second chance waiting.
Music licensing reimagined.
We ain't been living holy. Used to believe we ain't been living holy.
forgive me. No, it's not easy forgiving. Found a new reason for living. They says making noise, all I hear him say. La 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 la.
Artlist.io.
He say, she say, they say. He say, she say, they say.
Music licensing reimagined.
All I hear him say. La 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 la. All I hear him say. La 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 la. All I hear him say. La 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 la.
Artlist.io.
Racing to the finish line. Seatbelt, fast whips, got a win in mind.
Artlist.io.
Skirt off, ain't no tin in mine. Friends keep saying slow down, should've seen the signs. Riding down the street road, where we going, I don't know. God, please protect me, I'm halfway home. Take the wheel right now, I let go. Thinking about the ones to let go.
Music licensing reimagined.
No, it's not easy forgiving. Found a new reason for living. They say it's making noise, all I hear him say.
Bueno, como les decía, haciendo una reseña de este proceso cuando lo llevamos, hemos retirado bumpers, retrovisores, otros accesorios e internamente lo hemos instalado por completo. Encontramos remaches, tornillos de diferentes diámetros, diferentes tipos de engranaje. Eso ha sido una locura por completo. Hemos encontrado un desafío, la verdad, bastante enorme, pero no ha sido imposible. Ya tenemos todas las piezas retiradas y encontramos un tema de daño bastante profundo: sedimentación, oxidación, deterioro muy grande, al cual vamos a abordar de primera instancia con un proceso de limpieza, de lavado profundo, el cual vamos a trabajar en el siguiente capítulo para que estén muy pendientes. Agradecimiento importante a la compañía Cap1, que nos ha proporcionado todo el tema de productos de limpieza, herramientas y demás, a Detallame en esta oportunidad. Y en cada capítulo, en cada proceso, vamos a nombrar a todos los patrocinadores de este gran proyecto que se llama Desarme La Maquina. Bendiciones, chao, chao. Pendientes a todas las imágenes porque vamos a mostrar todo el procedimiento. Adiós.
Artlist.io.